proven performers. Industries we serve. The two-stage standalone spices grinding system is recommended for small batches of spices where frequent changeover of the material takes place. It is also recommended for mild, oil-based, costly spice items where choking may occur, and it is easy to clean. The hammer crusher is used as the first stage mill for coarse powder, while the micropulverizer is used as the second stage fine grinding mill. Feed material is fed to the hammer crusher mill via a feed hopper uniformly as the first stage coarse grinding mill. The hammer crusher is a screen-type equipment where grinding takes place between hammers and liners inside the mill, and material is discharged through the screen. The role of the cyclone separator is to separate air and material. Fine material is discharged to the rotary air lock valve, and air along with fine material goes to the dust collector. The role of the rotary air lock valve is to lock air and allow material to be collected in the drum continuously. The two-way connector allows the material to be collected in drums or bags continuously without stopping the machine. Extreme fine material along with air goes to the filter bags, where air gets released from the filter bags, and fine material is collected at the bottom. The system is mounted on anti-vibration mounting pads to minimize vibrations. Feed material is fed to the micropulverizer mill via a screw feeder through the feed hopper uniformly as the second stage fine grinding mill. The micropulverizer is a screen-type equipment where grinding takes place between hammers and liner inside the mill, and material is discharged through the screen. The mill is designed to achieve fineness of 30 mesh BSS, or 500 microns, and more fine powder. The mill is mounted on the mounting stand, with feeding from the top and collection at the bottom, both to be done manually. The product can be collected in drums. Filter bags are provided on the top of the machine stand for a dustless environment. Equipment can be supplied for capacity up to 30 to 100 kilograms per hour, depending upon the nature of the application.